My Challenger is running Mopar Stage 1 lowering springs. My Challenger is running 275s in the front and 315s in the back. I have Mopar Stage 1 lowering springs, Mo's 87mm throttle body, a transformer shift kit with a modified Hemi Fever tune.
I love it.
Is this like matte gray?
What's that?
It's like a satin.
Charcoal gray.
That's not a gloss at all.
What's that?
It's not a gloss.
No, no,
So it's easy how it went down.
No, I just wipe it, dude.
Yeah.
Like, the thing is, I love the wrap because, like, legit, I don't have to worry about
You
scratches.
got the, what's it called? There's a certain type of detail spray out there. You don't need water.
Yeah.
That's probably what you're using right now.